Here comes an overshoot for Bernie. Looks like a landing for the Tank 152. Overshoot. Okay, Bernie and Bill are coming in. Flaps down. Perfect as usual. As usual. Oh, nice one on the Tank. We got Bob Racer coming up with his 1.5 strutter. Okay, he's got a wing walker, Larry Shepard. We got Russell Strong out there with a fun scale entry. Okay, Russ is on his way again with the old Dennis Welty, Newport 28, fun scale. This is one of the airplanes that we used in the test film for Young Indiana Jones, Attack of the Hawkmen, Lucasfilm Limited. And that time Dennis Welty owned it and flew it. Okay, here goes Bob Racer, last man up on the first round. His first fly of the day. Nice takeoff, nice takeoff. Very good, very good.
My hands when I did my test flight this morning are nice and steady.
Nice flying airplane.
One bite complete.
Over and up. And down he comes. Okay, an overshoot for Bob Racer. Okay, this is going to be a touch and go for Russ Strong.
Touch and go.
Oh. Okay, it's going to be a touch and go for Bob Racer. Looks nice. Okay, Bob Racer is going to make the last landing of the first round on Saturday with his Proctor VK 1.5 strutter. Very nice, Bob. You are down. Tony Elliott taxiing out with his Lancer. This is an ARF, beautiful aircraft. Lancer is coming in. Down. But Gary Parker's taxiing out. He wasn't having any fun in scale, so he thought he'd enter fun scale and have some fun with his Fokker D7.
Okay, first maneuver takeoff. We're beginning that maneuver now.
Proctor 1/4 scale. Laser powered. Very nice. Okay, Gary's going to do a roll for us. Very good.
Gonna be long, going around.
Okay, Gary's going to do a touch and go for us. Okay, Gary is coming in.
Hold the throttle and impact it.
He's down. Joe Topper, touch and go. Joe is down. Wayne Frederick on a descending circle. Larry Sutherland is in the air.
Go to touch and go, Larry. Oh, well, yeah.
Okay, Wayne's coming around for his touch and go. Looks a little high. Now he's coming down. Oh, didn't make it. He's not going to make it. Touch and go for Larry Sutherland. Nice one, Larry.
Dick Hansen, Newport 11. Take off. This is Dick Hansen's landing. This is landing for round 2.
Okay, it's Sunday morning in sunny Central California, and as you can see, we've been rained out, and it's almost 9 o'clock, and Bill Ensley and I, we're packed up, we're heading for Portland shortly, right, Bill?
That's right.
So we're going to give out little awards here shortly, and then we'll be on our way.
Same problem.
Okay, Jeff, tell us what your plan is here now.
Well, the plan is here is we're going to go for it.
Oh, yeah. Go for the trophies, you mean?
Man your planes.
Yeah. Okay, call it to order here.
So we're going to have to call it here. The judges that were out there in the sun basically all day yesterday. I'd also like to thank the pilots who really worked hard yesterday to get all 3 of those rounds in. And, you know, I know we were out here till 5 o'clock or so, but really it was an effort that was really impressive as far as just keeping things rolling, and you guys are really to be commended for it. I really appreciate it.
Well, thanks for putting it on, Jeff. Yeah. We appreciate it. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Wayne Frederick gets high static for his Fokker D8, right?
We also have a high flight.
Gus gets high flight score with his
Yep.
Fine Decker,
Thanks,
good
Dave.
going, Gus.
All right, thanks.
Mike McIntyre, third place, fun sportsman. Good
Fun
going, Mike.
Thanks.
Expert. Okay, Gary Norton, our finance chairman for Scale Masters, wins second place in Fun Scale Expert. You good with his Piper Cup Super Cruiser. Good going. Super Cup. Gary Parker, first place Fun Scale Expert with his Fokker D7.
Yeah. Thank you. Congratulations.
Forrest, first place Fun Scale.
First scale contest, I think, right? Yeah.
Bernie Borland and Bill Ensley, first place in Team Scale with a Stinson Reliant. Oregon Miniature Aircraft Squadron, right, Bill? Hey, good going, you guys. Joe Copper qualifies third place in Expert with his Newport 28. Good going, Joe. Steve Unz, second place in Expert, flying the MiG-15. Good going, Steve.
All right. Yeah, you bet. All right.
Gus Stutzman from Cloverdale, California, wins first place and actually qualifies to go to sunny Arizona. Okay.
Radio.
And Gus wins a brand new radio from Airtronics. Thanks to Airtronics. Hey. Well, that's it from Woodburn, California. We'll see you guys next time.